On today's menu, a bowl so packed with flavor, it's a party you'll definitely want to attend. Vegan Sushi Bowl. Lei Homa, I'm Yeung from YoungMenCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This super amazing bowl of deliciousness is absolutely easy to make. This is how you make it. Place half a cup of sushi rice into a saucepan. Rinse and drain the rice 3 to 4 times to get rid of the excess starch. Half cup water. Heat the saucepan on medium-high. When the water just starts to bubble, give it a stir to release any of the rice grabbing the bottom of the pan. Cover and cook on medium-low for 15 minutes. Chop some carrots into matchsticks. Repeat with some cucumber. One radish, thinly sliced. One stick green onion, finely chopped. Pat dry about a quarter pound of extra firm tofu and slice into strips. Finally slice about a quarter of a red bell pepper. After 15 minutes, turn the heat off and let the rice steam further for another 10 minutes. Non-stick pan. Medium heat. Drizzle of olive oil. Sear the tofu for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Season with salt and pepper. Set the tofu aside. Season the rice with a pinch of salt and a couple tablespoons of rice vinegar. One tablespoon black sesame seeds. 1 tablespoon white sesame seeds. Mix. Plate the rice and let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Half cup chopped green leaf lettuce. Carrots. Cucumber. Red bell pepper, tofu, Couple tablespoons edamame, radish, now this is a very special, really delicious homemade pickled ginger, and you can find out how to make this in the first class of that new plant-based sushi making masterclass. I'll leave a link in the description box below. You can watch the entire first class and find out step by step how easy it is to make this incredible pickled ginger right at home. Thinly sliced pickled ginger. Green onion. Carefully peel half of an avocado. Thinly slice the avocado widthwise. Using the tip of the knife will help prevent it from sticking to the blade. Carefully spread out the avocado slices, then roll into a rose. Does not look incredible or what? Now for the amazing, easy dressing. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice. 1 teaspoon toasted sesame oil. 1 tablespoon cane sugar. 1/4 cup tahini. 1 tablespoon black sesame seeds. Cover and shake until emulsified. Generously pour over that amazing dressing. You can now make and enjoy this delicious sushi bowl with absolute confidence. That seriously looks so pretty to look at. I don't even want to break it up. But man, that looks absolutely amazing. There's so much flavor in there. So many fresh, incredible ingredients. It's just crunchy, it's sweet, it's salty, a little bit of a tanginess from the pickled ginger, but it's really nice and fresh and crunchy from the veggies. The tofu adds that extra kind of really nice texture, and the avocado is just really nice and buttery and goes really well with really anything. The sushi rice perfectly cooked and just soaks up all of that amazing dressing. And that dressing is just nice and luscious, robust. Has a little bit of that acidity from the lemon juice, but the saltiness from the soy sauce, and that is just absolutely delicious. This recipe I'd say is good enough for 2 people or 1 really hungry person, because that is really amazing. Just phenomenal. And by the way, if you love sushi like I do, then check out that exclusive plant-based sushi making masterclass. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check that out and watch the entire first class. This is a 5-class series designed and curated to help you make incredibly delicious and stunning sushi right at home. This is the masterclass you'll really eat up. So check out that link in the description box below where you can watch that entire first class. And of course, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.